Hi friends, I am Sujit from Advanced Excel Training Center, Excel 24. Today we discuss about the lookup, XLookup. But we have the one problem. I want to look the data with two criteria. In the my data have a name and city. I want to look up the sale, but problem is that if you want to look up with Puja, so look up the Puja Pune city is the 35. But I want to Puja in Kanpur city. Puja in Kanpur city sales value 67 here. But how can do that? So in the X lookup, you can also combine multiple lookup, but with one tricks. How can? So first apply the X lookup and select the value with concate. So we have concate the city and name in the lookup value. Same like that in the your lookup data. So we have select the name and concate with city. Now we give the return array, the sales, and press the enter, got the result here. So for this, you have use the concatenate these features and look up the multiple conditions, multiple criteria in the XLookup. But problem is that you can also look up with a VLOOKUP, but problem is that the VLOOKUP just look up the same value because in the VLOOKUP not have any options to give another column for the lookup because in the VLOOKUP we give the column number for result. So with VLOOKUP it is not possible, but if you use the XLOOKUP, then you can do that this type of the multiple criteria lookup. But problem is that XLOOKUP in the 2019 and 2021 Excel version. So if you have the this latest version, then you can use it. But one thing more, you have also used the subscribe button and like button. And you want to learn the complete advanced Excel, this is my number, you have called me. And join the some demo classes first. Thank you.